Namaskar. Today I will say how to remember the double triple centuries scorers in Test cricket. As you know, till date 31 triple centuries were scored in Test cricket by 27 cricketers. So that means only 4 members have scored triple centuries twice. First triple century was scored by Andy Sandham. He was also the oldest, whereas Gary Sobers was the youngest cricketer to score a triple century. Whereas the fastest one by the number of balls was scored by Ag Sehwag. Okay, so now let us remember the trick to remember the double triple centuries scorers in Test cricket. So first in this elite group we find those who have scored 2 times triple centuries in Test cricket. We have Don Bradman. He scored 334 and 304 runs, whereas Brian Lara, he scored 375 and also 400, whereas Virendra Sehwag scored 309 and 319, whereas Chris Gayle scored 317 and 333. But we need to remember that Don Bradman also scored 299 not out. Had he scored, he would have been the first cricketer to score 3 triple centuries. But the same kind of thing happened with Virendra Sehwag, but he was out for 293 runs. He fell short by 7 runs. Otherwise, he also would have become the first Test cricketer to score 3 triple centuries, but it had not happened. So now in this elite group we have 4 cricketers who have scored 2 triple centuries each: Don Bradman, Brian Lara, Virendra Sehwag and Chris Gayle. Now the point is how you can remember these names easily. So I have a simple trick. It is you can write A, B, C and D. Since Virendra Sehwag scored the fastest century, so A for Ag Sehwag, whereas B for Brian Lara, C for Chris Gayle and D for Don Bradman. Okay, so here whenever we say common sense or trick, if it is working then it has to be accepted. If it is not working then we should give up. But here A, B, C, D, A for Ag Sehwag, and whereas B for Brian Lara, C for Chris Gayle and D for the greatest batsman Don Bradman. Okay, in this way you can remember the double triple century scorers of the Test cricket. So see you in the coming video. Please do subscribe, share and comment. I will come up with more such tricks in the coming future.